Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the ultimate automotive tools. Today, we're taking a closer look at the FOXWELL NT510 Elite, the best GM TECH2 scan tool available. This is a professional-grade OBD2 scanner designed specifically for GM vehicles like Chevrolet, Cadillac, GMC, and Buick. If you're a DIY mechanic or simply a car enthusiast, this tool is a game-changer. The NT510 Elite offers full system diagnostics and bidirectional control, meaning you can both read and clear fault codes across various systems in your vehicle, including engine, ABS, SRS, transmission, and more. It's equipped with an auto VIN scan, ensuring a smooth, quick connection with your car's electronic control modules. One of the standout features of the NT510 Elite is its bidirectional control or active test functionality. This allows you to directly command various car components, like doors, windows, and AC, to ensure they're working properly. You can also perform important reset functions such as oil light reset, EPB, throttle body relearn, ABS bleeding, and even crankshaft sensor relearn. This scanner also supports over 10 essential OBD2 functions, including live data streaming, IM readiness checks, O2 sensor tests, and more. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or performing regular maintenance, the NT510 Elite provides all the tools you need, making it a reliable and cost-effective choice for GM owners. With its user-friendly interface, real-time data graphs, and lifetime free software updates, this tool is ready to take on any diagnostic challenge. Plus, it's compatible with a range of GM models from 1996 and beyond, making it a versatile addition to your garage. So if you're looking for a powerful, feature-packed diagnostic tool, the FOXWELL NT510 Elite is the ultimate choice for your GM vehicle. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best automotive tools on the market.